Hey, it's Matt from Aging Strong Personal Training. This is a Fall Prevention Friday video, and today I'm demonstrating how to do the farmer's carry exercise. So when it comes to balance training, we have to work on our walking pattern, right? Part of balance training is working on our balance training. The fancy term, the technical term is the gait or the ambulation. Not only working on the walking pattern, but doing so under load, because that's the way we oftentimes do it in everyday life. We're carrying loads. Suitcases, groceries, whatever the case may be, and that can be done with 2 arms or 1 arm. So I'm going to demonstrate the farmer's carry first with 2 arms. That's the way we start the exercise. That's the way we teach the exercise, do it with 2 arms. So I'll use a good deadlift pattern to pick up the weights off the floor, using my legs, not my back, core tight. And now I'm ready to begin the exercise. Nice tall posture, chest, rib cage up, shoulders back, and I'll walk the length of the studio here, down and back. Like I said, good posture. And depends on the condition of the person I'm working with. Sometimes I'll have them go down and back once. Sometimes I'll have them go back down and back twice. Okay? And then the progression of this is to do it with 1 arm. Okay? So now, this again is very similar to what we do in everyday life. Our training is to simulate what we do in everyday life. So in everyday life, we're oftentimes carrying a suitcase with 1 arm. Or
a jug of milk.
Yeah, there you go. As jug of milk, as my son, the protege Nathan says, a jug of milk or a suitcase or what was the other example I gave her? Groceries, that's what it was, groceries. So anyway, there's different implements we can use, different tools. So you can see I'm using a dumbbell. I have 3 different options here. There's lots of ways I can do a farmer carry. So this is with a 45-pound dumbbell, all right? I just demonstrated right arm. Obviously, I do the same amount on the left arm. But this is also 45 pounds. This is a kettlebell. So I'll demonstrate with this one. I'll demonstrate with the left. But it's the same weight, just a different tool, right? Because sometimes a suitcase is going to feel different than a bag of groceries or a jug of milk, as Nathan says, right? So you have to work on that. Work on carrying different objects to get used to where we're going to use this in everyday life. Or we could use, again, same weights, they're all 45 pounds. I could use this plate here, okay? Use a good form to pick it up, right? It's got a nice handy handle on it. And again, walking the length of the studio and back. So I'm not going to demonstrate the whole thing just to save some time. So there you have it. The farmer's carry exercise for ambulation, walking pattern, gait. Thanks for watching, and visit our website at agingstrongpt.com.